3.10 Assignment Overview, where I go over questions that are in your assignment. Jake is constructing a square. He constructed a line and plotted a point on the line. He then constructed a line perpendicular to the line through that point. What is Jake's next step? Jake would take this step if he wanted to construct a line perpendicular to the first line at the point he plotted. But notice he has already done that. Jake has a pair of perpendicular lines that gives him one right angle for his square. By swinging equal arcs from the vertex to the right angle, he can construct two equal sides of his square. Jake has a pair of perpendicular lines that gives him one right angle for his square. By swinging equal arcs from the vertex to the right angle, he can construct two equal sides of his square. Next question. The construction of an equilateral triangle is shown. Which statements are true? Select each correct answer. Here's some of your choices. The sides of the triangle are radii of the circles. The point where the circles intersect below the horizontal segment is the vertex of another equilateral triangle, where the horizontal segment is the side. The two circles are congruent. The sides of the triangle are diameters of the circle. Here's what you need to remember. The construction starts with the horizontal segment shown. The length of that segment is then used as the radius to construct circles from each of its endpoints. Both circles have the same radius. The construction of square ABCD is shown. Line AC was the first segment constructed. Which statements are correct? Select each correct answer. Your options are: the circle with center A is congruent to the circle with center C. Segment BD is a perpendicular bisector to AC. AC is equal to AB, and AB is equal to AD. Recall the steps used for this construction. 1. The perpendicular bisector of AC is constructed. 2. A circle is constructed whose center lies where AC is crossed by its perpendicular bisector. 3. The four vertices of a square are identified. In the construction of an equilateral triangle, what reasoning was used to prove that the triangle is an equilateral triangle? Could it be that all three sides of the triangle are diameters of a congruent circle? Or could it be that all three sides of the triangle are radii of congruent circles? A ruler was used to measure all three sides of the triangle. The distance formula was used to find the length of all three sides of the triangle. Remember, the construction is performed with a compass, swinging three equal arcs. The diameter of a circle passes through the center from one end to the other. Which step is used to mark off equal distances in the construction of an equilateral triangle? The circle, the line, the ray, or the point? Remember, the construction is performed with a compass, swinging three equal arcs. A student constructed a square by first constructing a segment. That segment became a diagonal of the square. What else is true about the student's construction? The square is inscribed in a circle when the construction is completed. Inscribed means to be inside of. A circle is inscribed in the square when the construction is completed. Inscribed means to be inside of. Two of the sides of the square are parallel to the first segment constructed. The midpoint of the first segment is the center of a circle used in the construction. A circle that is inscribed in a square lies in the interior of the square and touches each side of the square at a point. A square that is inscribed in a circle lies in the interior of the circle and has its vertices on the circle. If you have any questions about this assignment overview, please send me a text or email.